Good day, students. Welcome to Naz Villa. Today we will be discussing email writing, from the steps to the format to which email that will come in your examination, everything. Email is a short form of electronic mail. ईमेल इज़ जस्ट लेटर्स जो एक डिवाइस से दूसरे डिवाइस पे सेंड किए जाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ नेटवर्क. दिस इज द फास्टेस्ट वे ऑफ सेंडिंग लेटर्स. इन एग्जाम देयर विल बी ओनली two types of email asked to you, that is formal and informal. Formal email का मतलब होता है जब हम किसी अथॉरिटी को email लिखते हैं. For example, if you are writing some professional email, or if you are writing for some office purpose, or for some business purpose, or to a principal, or to the government officials, or to any company, इन सब लोगों को normally formal letters send किए जाते हैं. For complaining or for inquiring or for ordering, that will be asked in your examination. The second type of email donation would be informal, जो इसमें या तो फ्रेंड्स को लिखे जाते हैं या तो फैमिली को लिखे जाते हैं और रिलेटिव्स. So informal email is written to anyone that you are talking casually, जिससे फ्रेंडली बातें की जाती हैं. The format of writing this two is not very different. थोड़ी बहुत changes हैं. Let's directly go to the steps that you have to remember while writing an email. First step, from is the ID of the person who is sending the email, and to is the ID of the person who is receiving. अगर question में नाम दिया है so you will use the name. If not, then you will use XYZ. So the email ID will be xyz@gmail.com. और जिसे send कर रहे हो उसकी email ID होगी abc@gmail.com. If you are writing an email to the government official, so instead of @gmail.com, you will write down @gov.in. Then comes the subject. Subject जो है वो हमेशा questions में से ही मिल जाएगा, and you have to see that you complete the subject in one line only. हो सके तो एक लाइन में ही subject finish कर दो. Don't make the subject too long or you will lose marks on that. First letter of every word should be capital. So when you are writing a subject, the first letter of every word should be capital. जैसे words हैं of, is, in, इनके letters को capital नहीं करोगे तो भी चलेगा, but the rest of all the words, the letters should always be capital. Now next you will write down date. When it comes to date, you will always write the date in this form, 25 August, 2020. अगर ऐसे लिखोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. So here you finish the first step. ये जो फॉर्मेट है ये दोनों फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल के लिए सेम ही रहेगा. द सेकेंड स्टेप इज सैल्यूटेशन. सो यू विल लीव वन लाइन एंड देन यू विल राइट डाउन रिस्पेक्टेड सर, मैडम. नाउ इफ यू आर राइटिंग अ फॉर्मल ईमेल, you will write respected sir, madam, okay? And if you are writing an informal email, you will write dear sir. यहाँ पर अगर नाम दिया हुआ है, so you can directly mention the name like dear Mr. Kapoor or respected Mr. Kapoor. This is something you are not supposed to skip. After writing this, you will put a comma, then you will leave one line, then in the next line you will continue from the beginning. यहाँ तक बहुत सिंपल था. उसके बाद आता है body of the email. The body should be divided into 3 parts. You have to write the body in the form of paragraphs. First comes the introduction, then comes the detailed description, and then comes the conclusion. For formal emails, इंट्रोडक्शन में तुम अपना इंट्रो दे सकते हो, दैट आई एम अ रेसिडेंस ऑफ सो एंड सो, आई एम अ कस्टमर ऑफ सो एंड सो, और आई वांट टू टेल यू, आई वांट टू इन्फॉर्म यू. Then you will write down a detailed description about the problem that you are facing. If you are writing a complaint or if you want any kind of inquiry, थोड़ा बहुत डिटेल में बताओगे. हमेशा टॉपिक से रिलेटेड ही रहो, कभी टॉपिक के बाहर की चीज़ डिस्कस मत करो ईमेल में. Then at the end, when you are writing the conclusion, you have to finish the statement by please do the needful in the respective manner, or I hope you will do something as soon as possible, or I hope you will look into the matter, or I request you to solve the matter. So whenever you are writing an email, you have to see that the language that you are using should always be polite. Don't be impolite when you are writing a formal email. After you finish writing your email, you have to write thanking you. This is very important. If you miss this, again you will lose your marks. Then you have to leave one line. After that you have to write down yours faithfully. The first letter of the first word will be capital, but the first letter of the second word will not be capital, okay? जैसे सब्जेक्ट में क्या था ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं करना है. नाउ व्हेन यू गो टू this you have to write yours faithful, yours truly or yours sincerely. इनमें से कोई भी चीज लिख सकते हो. Below you have to write down, you don't have to leave a line after that. You have to write down the name which is given in the question, or you have to write down X, Y, Z. इसके नीचे फ़ोन नंबर लिख सकते हो, अपना डेजिग्नेशन लिख सकते हो. You can write some information regarding you. So here is how you will write down the paragraph or the body of informal email writing. The only difference that you have is the language, the way you will speak. You can start by saying it's been a long time we haven't met, or you can start by saying hope you're fine with the blessings of God, hope you're okay with this difficult time you have been through. You know, if there is anything you're gonna discuss, something like that. And then you always know the topic of discussion. हमेशा तुम्हें पता है कि topic of discussion क्या होने वाला है. So इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद थोड़ा सा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन अबाउट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटिंग अबाउट समथिंग और गिविंग योर व्यूज़ अबाउट समथिंग. And at the end you have to, for an informal writing, the conclusion goes to like see you soon, or you know, you can say take care or hope to meet you soon. All these things you can use to end your email writing. Just write any one of it, don't write all of it. You are not supposed to write thanking you. Thanking you नहीं लिखना है. You have to write down give my regards to your family or give my regards to all. Then you have to leave one line and you have to write down yours lovingly. Then again your name below that. जैसे तुम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ नॉर्मल बातें करते हो वैसे ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हो while writing an email. So this was the entire format of writing an email. There will be a part 2 on this. Hope you have understood the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and stay updated.